I'm going to talk about ergonomic assessment and ergonomic setup when you're working in front of computers. The first thing when you're using a laptop, one of the problems is that a laptop position, your head's really got to look down, so you can't look straight forward. For a normal computer setup, the top of your head should be just touching the top of the screen. So in fact, it needs to be in that position rather than in that position. And this is one of the major causes of neck problems. What we would suggest that you do is you get something like some books to put the computer on, which will take it up onto a much higher sort of position. That's almost there. I could do with doing a little bit higher, so that I'm actually not having to look down as much, which will reduce the neck. And then we get a separate keyboard that's at a wireless one, somewhere like Simlim, and you get it wirelessly, $50, and it's in this position, a much better position rather than looking down. The other suggestion we get you to do is put some tape around the wheels. One of the problems is that we often have the chair away, so it's not in a good position. Set the chair closer with some tape around. What the tape does, it stabilises the position and keeps it in a good position. You can always just swing out and swing back in, but stabilising the wheels helps. It also helps with stabilising the wheels to help push yourself back into a chair that's not moving. Using a small roll in this position oftentimes will arch my lower back into a much better position, and then it pulls my head back. And then sticky taping or double-siding the keyboard, so putting the keyboard sticking it down onto the table, close to the edge like so, because in this position my elbows are in a much better position here rather than having to reach right forward. That brings my head forward. So the things here, we get you to stick the keyboard down, think about taping the wheels, good lumbar support through this part, and if you're the desktop computer should be around about eye level, which is about right for this setup, but again for a laptop make sure you get the separate keyboard. Thanks.